OK，Jackman，咁我哋而家同你過一個你今個禮拜要做嘅嘢啊。咁今個禮拜咧係有4日嘅訓練 ，OK，盡量可以做完佢最好。咁你又唔需要話一定係要星期一做呢個，星期二做呢個，只不過我擺喺呢度，呢個係最好嘅組合。OK，如果你星期一做咗，星期二唔得閒 ，OK 冇問題。星期三做 ，OK，咁你星期四就可以做翻同星期一模一樣嘅嘢啦 ，OK。咁啊，暫時就係咁樣。咁啊，撳入去先。咁啊，你記得呢個啦 ，OK。咁你個 squat 呢個咧，你可能要買一個少少嘅墊片，我到時要發個 link 俾你媽咪啊。咁你就做翻10下啦。咁全部組數都係用同一個重量嘅 ，OK。我撳入去啦。咁啊，4010嘅意思啊，同你過翻一次就係4秒鐘落，1秒鐘上。記得腳踭千祈唔好離開個地下。咁呢個咧就係用你會所入邊嗰部機啦。咁啊，呢個嘢撳入去。
So this is the matrix.
咁你記得你呢個 chest press 咧，你有個下面
chest press. Sit yourself in, and I'm going to show you how to set it up for each one of those exercises. So for the chest press, you need to get it in its lowest position. So there's 2 levers that you need to move. You need to move the seat depending on your height, so up or down. And then the main lever is down here, and you need to slide this to position A for the chest press.
咁你係 chest press 啦。咁你記得咧呢個 neutral grip 就係喺呢一個地方揸呢個地方，就係 neutral grip 啦。揸上面嘅咧，遲啲我會教你啊。佢又唔係叫 neutral grip。而家暫時嚟講，你用呢一個 neutral grip。跟住 wall sit， 咁啊，暫時可以唔負重，就算負重都係好輕。wall sit 就係無影凳，記得。你要確保你呢一個地方保持90度，就係咁簡單。手盡量唔好摸腳，咁你會射走啲力嘅 ，OK？ 咁你就盡量堅持20到30秒之間。跟住咧 warm up 咧呢啲地方咧，你唔知個動作咧，你就可以撳入去就 OK 噶啦。呢啲咁嘅做咗之後嘅拉伸咧，都可以撳入去睇視頻。咁第二日呢個 neutral grip 就係我嗰日教你拉嘅動作啦。咁你係唔需要理佢呢一個用乜嘢把手嘅，你係用翻你 gym 嗰個把手就得噶啦。暫時 OK 4010都係拉去你心口嘅時候係1秒，跟住由心口去翻最低點嘅時候係用4秒，咁嘅4010。咁啊，箭步走啦。用翻你嘅 dumbbell，OK？ 平板支撐，咁我寫60秒嘅，咁你又唔需要太過在意可唔可以做60秒，有幾多做幾多。如果你做唔到60秒嘅話咧，你就喺呢度寫翻我淨係做咗30秒啫 ，OK？ 咁你自己修改翻個嘢，咁我就會知道噶啦。